If you have a family, you already know that managing everyone's schedule can honestly feel like a full-time job. Between school activities, sport practices, doctor appointments, chores, and trying to figure out what is for dinner every single night, the mental load is exhausting. Traditional paper calendars can get messy, whiteboards get erased by accident, and constantly group texting your family or checking your phone 20 times a day just doesn't cut it anymore. The ideal thing for families is a single centralized command center that gets absolutely everybody on the same page. That's exactly where the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 comes in. This specifically here is the 32-inch wall mount edition. Now, before we dive into the actual software, let's actually see what you get in this giant box. You get the massive 32-inch Cozilla touchscreen display itself. Then we get all the mounting hardware with the heavy-duty wall mount bracket and all the necessary screws to mount it to the wall. You also get the screwdriver and drill bit, so you don't have to guess or buy the drill bit to mount it. And the screwdriver is a really nice material, actually. It's a high quality screwdriver. You also get the dedicated power supply, which is sufficiently long for anywhere you want to put this. And lastly, the quick start manuals and guides to get you connected and started with your calendar. The display itself is overall very easy to pick up and move around, and it has a really nice white border around the display. It makes it really friendly and approachable. Almost looks like a picture frame. The initial setup process is incredibly fast and intuitive. You just plug it in, connect it to your home Wi-Fi, and then link it to the Cozilla mobile app on your smartphone. Once you're in, you can start adding your family members. And a huge tip here is to make sure you upload real photos of your family members for their profile avatars instead of just using the system defaults. It just makes the calendars so much more personal and easy to read across the room. Now, the magic happens when it automatically syncs your existing digital calendars. It just pulls everything into this beautiful color-coded interface. All right, so here I wanted to give you a hands-on demo so you can kind of see the calendar here in person as I actually use it and navigate throughout it. So you can see here that we have the main home screen, and you can actually customize this however you want. You can move things around. I do like the setup that it is right now. You can see today's meals lined up, today's task tracking. Task tracking I personally really like here because you can actually do different tasks for different family members, and if they get it completed, you can actually redeem that for items. So here you can see the rewards that can be redeemed after you do all your tasks, and the person just goes on here and checks off the tasks that they've done, and it keeps everyone accountable, which is really cool. We can go back here and we can see all the different users and people in the family that have different tasks to do, and they can go up to the calendar here and actually check that off. I also really like just the meal planning in general. Here you can see our breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Each one is a full-on recipe that you can actually browse YouTube videos here and see how to make this. You can see the ingredients that are required for this. So here we have like chocolate, and you can write that down, of course. And when you add this actually to here, this actually gets added to your grocery list as well on the Cozilla app and on here. And then you, of course, get the instructions as well on how to actually make the item for your dinner or breakfast, which is really, really nice. You can also keep track of your pantry as well. So you can add the things that you have, and it'll tell you if maybe you have things that have expired, or you can get rid of things that you've already gotten rid of, which is really cool way to just track everything you have without having to open the fridge or anything like that. Now, also worth noting that this is a full-blown Android device. So you actually have apps on here. You can install more apps. You have Google Photos, YouTube Music, direct access to YouTube to watch things, anything like that that you want. So it's really, really nice. You can look at photos on this. You can even pop up a split screen if you want to. So we can go ahead and split two separate views of really any app that you want, how you would expect to use an actual tablet from Android or anything like that. So here we have YouTube Music, and here we have our pantry right here, and we can still continue to use this perfectly right here. So it's very versatile and just a really great device. So now I did want to show you the Cozilla mobile app, which is a big part of actually using everything in the whole ecosystem here. You basically just download the app and log in with the same email that you use for the tablet here for your Cozilla account. Here I appear as the family member there. So we're going to go ahead and confirm. And now I am inside the app. I can accept and continue right here. And there we go. This is the Cozilla app right here. You can see everything is empty because I don't have anything added just yet, but I do have access to the meals, task, calendar today, everything that you also have access to on the Cozilla calendar. And the cool thing is I can go to calendar on my phone right here. I can go ahead and add a manual event. So here we'll create an event on the app. Go to grocery store, I'll click my profile so it propagates for only my account here. And then we'll choose the start date. Today's March 9th. 6 p.m., 7 p.m., boom. You can do reminders, whatever. We'll click save. Then it's added right there to the calendar. So here on the calendar view, we can actually see that our event was also created. There you go. You can also delete it or edit it from the actual app. So you have it on both sides. And that's just awesome that you just constantly have this updated. On the app, you can actually also add your Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and add my Google Calendar to this to connect everything that I already have directly to this and have everything synced. And so not only can you do that, but each family member can do that with their calendars as well. As I was saying earlier, you of course do have access to the tasks system as well, and as well as meals. So for example, we can go right here on the app. We're going to do a 10-minute bean stew and add to breakfast. There you go. For lunch, we're going to go ahead and do the 2-minute chocolate yum. And then you can actually click on it and look at the actual ingredients, instructions, and everything, which is really nice. And just plan everything out like that. We'll add it here at the lunch. And look at that. You can just basically be setting up everything that you need to do for the week like that. And then for those meal plan items that we just did, it generates a list of the actual things that you have to buy to make for the items that we just actually added. So right there, you can see this is what we're going to need for those recipes that I just added in my meal plan. You can of course also have a custom list of the things that you just want to buy separate aside from just the items of the meal plan. So here I can go ahead and say milk, and then it's going to go ahead and add it to the list. And then here we go back to the calendar, we're going to have everything here as well. So we'll go to meals right here. We can see the 2 meals that we added right here for breakfast and lunch, and you can of course edit them. You can of course also set this up for the whole week and just set everything up. We can see our pantry, which is everything that we have for food items and everything inside of our fridge. You just kind of add that. And then we also got the grocery list that we also just added as well. So we have that from the meal plan, and then the custom list with milk. So everything just happens really instantly, and this allows you to kind of connect with the family and have everything just organized in one place. While the touch interface is super smooth and responsive, my absolute favorite feature for adding events is the Cozy AI. When you have your hands full in the kitchen, you don't want to be typing out long event details, so you can just use natural voice commands to manage your entire schedule. So for example, Cozy, we're flying to Las Vegas this December 31st. Create an event for everybody. And you can see that Cozy instantly processes the natural language, understands the context, generates a preview of the flight for the whole family, and places it right on the calendar. You can also ask it to set recurring events like Cozy, remind Ryan to take the trash out every Thursday. It is remarkably fast and removes all the friction of organizing. But a household runs on more than just appointments and flights. It runs on daily routines. The chores and task system built into the calendar Plus 2 is absolutely brilliant. You can assign specific recurrent chores like taking out the trash, feeding the dog, or finishing homework directly to kids' profiles. So when they finish a task, they can get the satisfaction of physically walking up to the screen and checking off the list themselves. It really does create accountability. But the best part is that there is a built-in reward system, which is what really gets kids to want to do their chores. As kids complete their assigned chores, they earn points. They can then bank these points and cash them in for real-life rewards that you agree on together. Like, for example, an extra 30 minutes of screen time, or picking a movie for family night, or a special treat. It just turns daily and boring responsibilities into a fun, interactive game. Basically, stop nagging and they start tracking their own progress. Now, because I have this propped up in the kitchen, my most used feature here has been how it handles the food. The Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 features a comprehensive meals, pantry, and grocery list system, so you can sit down on Sunday and plan out an entire week's menu right on the screen. No one really has to ask what's for dinner again, they can just look at the board. And it even takes meal prep a step further. When you add a recipe to your meal plan, the Meals app automatically matches it with a corresponding YouTube video tutorial. You can open it up and watch the step-by-step cooking guide right here on this gorgeous 32-inch display while you prep your ingredients. It's like having a little sous chef walking you through the recipe. Furthermore, if you're cooking and realize that you're out of olive oil or milk, you just tap on it on the screen and add it to a shared grocery list with your family. And because of the ecosystem, that list instantly syncs to the Cozilla mobile app on your phone, and you'll never be standing at the grocery store trying to remember what you were supposed to buy. It also features the pantry stacker, helping you keep tabs on what you currently have in stock so food doesn't go to waste. So what's the verdict? From tracking daily chores and actively rewarding the kids to acting as a smart assistant in the kitchen, the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is much more than a digital calendar. It replaces the messy whiteboard, scattered sticky notes, and endless group texts. It really is the ultimate command center to keep a busy household running smoothly if you want to bring a little more peace, accountability, and organization to your home in 2026. I highly recommend checking this out as it completely changes how you manage your week. I've put my unique purchase link in the description below so you can grab one for your family and check out the current pricing. Thanks to Cozilla for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.